Exactly how is still a mystery. But after around 2 months at sea, a hormonal change tells emperor mothers it's time to come home. They return with a meal within just days of their chicks hatching. A voice he knows. Hers. But can she identify his? She has the rare ability to filter out the cacophony of 20,000 voices, to isolate just one. He has not let her down. Her parents' partnership has kept her alive. At a month old, she's starting to stand on her own 2 feet. With a little help from Mom. By 2 months, she's ready for daycare. Winter is nearly over, and soon she'll rely on them to keep her alive.